Hello everyone. So just want to share with you yung discussion for arithmetic sequence. So again, this is not a new topic and this one kasama yung mga kasunod pa na topic like geometric, harmonic, tsaka alternating. Not something new. You already discussed this in your other math subject, but we will just still go through every topic. So for arithmetic sequence, we'll be discussing the arithmetic means, the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, and some of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. So again, there will be example problems so that you'll be able to practice, and some of the problems will just be left for you to answer. So let's start. So again, recall lang natin ano yung arithmetic sequence. So kapag meron tayong set of numbers, we can say that this is an arithmetic sequence if meron tayong common difference. So later on, we will be reviewing that. So kapag meron kang set of numbers and yung set of numbers mo ay merong common difference, we call that the arithmetic sequence. Sequence, kapag pag-uusapan natin 'no, talking about sequence, it is a function whose domain is the finite set or the infinite set. So may mga, set of numbers tayo. So for example, meron tayong 1, 4, 7, 10, and 13. So para yun sa finite and meron din tayong 15, 11, 7, 3, and -1. So let's determine kung arithmetic sequence ba 'tong mga set of numbers na 'to. 'No, so it's easy to identify kasi kapag meron siyang common difference, then it's an arithmetic sequence. So, guys, I want you to understand this because the arithmetic sequence is also connected to the harmonic sequence. So later on, we will be discussing harmonic sequence and makikita nyo yung term ng harmonic sequence are just the reciprocal of the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So for number one, so may common difference ba tayo dito? So that's the first thing that you need to ask. So meron ba tayong common difference? And pare-parehas ba yung common difference from second minus the first, dun sa third minus the second? And if the common difference is the same, kaya nga common difference, di ba? If the difference are all the same, so arithmetic yan. So for number one, meron tayong 3 na difference, no? So, 'pag nag-add tayo ng 3 dun sa kada number, we will have, the result will be the next number. So for number two, so anong arithmetic arithmetic sequence ba 'to? So kung arithmetic sequence na 'to, anong common difference? 4? Do you think it's 4 or it's -4? So again, be careful with the sign. So kapag malalaman mo na tama yung common difference na nilagay mo is kapag in-add mo yung common difference dun sa term, yung result yung summation nun will be the next number. No, kaya important yung direction ng ating, common difference. So sana hindi niyo naman ito i-ano 'no, i-times 5 or i-times 2 or times 2.5. So make sure na naintindihan, okey? For number three, may common difference ba tayo? So wala 'no, so kaya hindi yan arithmetic sequence. So as well as number 4 and number 5. Okay, so this one, so I want you to try to identify alin diyan yung arithmetic tsaka alin diyan yung not an arithmetic sequence. Then you can pause it and try to answer that. Okay, how can we identify the next term for arithmetic sequence? So ano 'to 'di ba, parang some of you will be thinking, common sense 'to ma'am. So that's correct kasi siyempre it's easy to identify kapag meron kang dalawang consecutive na number. So, you can easily identify the next number. So, meron tayong 2, 8, 14. So, ano common difference diyan? What do you think? 6. That's correct. So, it's 6, right? So, alam natin yung mga kasunod na number. So, 20, 26, and 32. So, gano'n din sa mga kasunod na number 'no. So, madali namang ma-identify yung common difference. Kapag na-identify mo na yun, you can know the next number. So, try to answer this 'no. So, I have posted the presentation to, the Google Classroom. So, puwede niyong sagutan for practice. Okay, so now let's talk about the 10th term. So, 'pag pinag-usapan natin yung arithmetic sequence, pinag-uusapan natin ano yung pang 10th term, ano yung pang 20th term, or ano yung pang kung pang ilang order na term man yung gusto mo. So, puwede nating itanong dito 'no. So, meron tayong 5, 12, 19, 26. So, meron tayong 4 na term dito. Ano yung pang-10? So, madali lang makuha yan kapag alam mo yung common difference. And as you can observe, ano yung common difference ng 5, 12, 19, and 26? Yes, that's correct. It's 7. So, 'pag alam mo yung common difference, alam mo na yung mga kasunod. So, add mo lang ng 7. Eh, pero paano 'pag 20th? So, marami-rami. Kung 105th or 1,000 terms. So, kailangan na natin ng formula diyan. So, for our formula, meron tayong a sub n is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times t. So, yung a sub n is kung pang-ilang term. So, for example, hinahanap mo is pang 100 na term. So, a sub 100 yung ilalagay mo dun. The a sub 1 is the first term and the n is yung number of terms na included. So, kunwari, ang hinahanap mo ay 100 term. So, yung number of terms mo that will be observed is 100. So, paano naman natin kinukuha yung common difference? So, kapag meron kang consecutive numbers, so kapag sinubtract mo yung current minus uh, the preceding or minus dun sa bago mag-number na yun 'no. So, malalaman mo yung common difference. So, kunwari sinubtract mo ay second number minus the first number. So, you will get the difference. So, don't be aware that you need to, um, subtract the first number to the from the second number, not the other way around. Kasi maiiba yung sign niyo, okey? So, try natin 'to. So, ano daw yung 10th term sa arithmetic sequence 5, 12, 19, 26? So, yung ating a sub n yung hinahanap. So, meron tayong a sub 1, alam natin 5. Alam natin yung common difference. So, malalaman natin yun kasi 12 minus 5, 7 or 19 minus 12, it's 7. And alam natin that the number of term will be 10 kasi nga, 10 term yung hinahanap natin. So, we can just use the formula. So, a sub n is equal to n minus 1 times t. So, we got, a sub n, so a to the 10 is equal to ano yung number natin kanina, 5. So, meron tayong 5 plus, so n minus 1, so 10 minus 1. So, times the common difference na 7. So, now it's easy for us to know the, 10 values. Puwede kayong mag-calcu, guys. Make sure lang na hindi sa phone and dun sa quiz natin, you will be using just the calculator, walang takip, okey? So, the answer will be 60. So, again, the goal is um, the values, kung ano yung nire-represent. So, you can know the term, okay, na been-asked. Okay, so try to answer this. So, pwede mong i-pause for a few minutes. Then, sagutan natin yung number 3 and number 5. Okay? Sige, pwede niyong i-pause muna, then sagutan natin. So, I hope sinagutan niyo, no? So, for number 3, so we are asked to find the 20th term. So, it will be the first term, so 1 plus the term na hinahanap, ang n natin ay 28. So, 28 minus 1 multiplied to the common difference. So, the common difference is 13. So, ang 28th term will be, so we got 300. Okay. Tumama ba kayo, guys? Ayan. So, I hope tumama kayo, no? For number 5, meron tayong, ang hinanap natin ay 100 second term. So, A sub 100 is equal to the first term, which is negative 10 plus n minus 1. So, we got 102 minus 1. So, that will be 101. Then, the common difference is, so again, guys, you need to be careful with that. So, what is negative 20 minus negative 10? So, it's like negative 20 plus 10. So, that will be negative 10. So, be careful with the sign again. Kasi pwede kayong mamali. Hindi tama yung pagkakalagay natin ng sign. So, ang ating sagot will be, so pwede nyo na i-calculate yan. So, ang mga 102nd term natin ay negative 1,020. Okay? So, clear to, guys? Clear na ba yan? Ayan. So, pag-usapan natin tingnan pa natin yung mga ibang example. So, again, reminder lang, guys, na laruin nyo lang yung formula. So, kapag alam nyo yung formula, pwede nyo masagot yung mga tanong. And regarding the formula, we will not be giving formula sheet. So, you need to memorize the formula. Okay, so, dito meron tayo fifth term. If the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 23 and the common difference is 4, what's the 10th term? So, pwede mong magmano-mano dyan, di ba? Mag-add ka lang ng 4 from 23. So, alam mo na yung fifth term, so mag-a-add ka ng 5 pa, di ba? So, pwede yun. Pero paano kapag sobrang dami na? So, kailangan mo talaga na gamitin yung formula. So, we will use the formula ng arithmetic sequence. So, A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times t. Kaso hindi mo yung alam yung first term. Ang alam mo ay fifth term. So, one thing that you can do is pwede mong kunin muna yung A sub 1. So, tingnan natin, no? So, A sub 1 muna tayo. So, kasi kapag gusto natin kunin yung A sub 1, kailangan may values tayo. So, yung A sub 5 natin is equal to 23. Then, the common difference is 4. So, ang hinahanap is A to the 10. Okay, so rearrange natin. So, subtract both sides by negative n minus 1 times t. Subtract by n minus 1 times t. So, pwede mo i-cross out 'to. So, A1 is equal to A sub n minus n minus 1 times t. Eh, alam natin yung A sub n, 'di ba? So, pwede natin i-substitute yan. So, yung A sub n natin, yung fifth term is 23 minus n minus 1. So, ilang term lang yun. So, ang term natin, so n sub 1, so the first term yung gagamitin natin. So, for the n minus 1, we will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kasi yung a sub n natin is a sub 5. So, meron tayong 5, then, uh, ayan, minus 5 times the common difference is 4 is equal to a sub 1. So, malalaman natin a sub 1. N minus 1 should be 4, sorry. So, it will be 4. So, ang a sub 1 natin will be 7. So, from there, pwede mo din gamitin na pwede mo nang kunin yung a sub 10. So, a sub 10 will be equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times t. So, we got a sub 10 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1. So, magiging n ko dito will be 10, diba? So, it will be 9 times the differential before. So, yung 10th term will be equal to 7 plus 36 will be 43. Okay, so it will be equal to 43. So, paano pa yung iba? So, pwede naman. So, since meron tayong fifth term, so we can get the 10th term using the fifth term. So, it's a sub 5, that's the fifth term, plus n minus 5. So, times the common difference. So, bakit 5 na 'to? Kasi nga, yung ating first term will be on the fifth. So, we can use that to find the value of common difference. So, let's answer. So, I will just erase this para hindi masyadong magulo. So, let's try. So, a sub 10 is equal to what's the fifth term? 23 plus n minus 5. So, 9 times 4. So, a sub 10 is equal to negative. So, the first term is 7. So, 7 plus 36 will be equal to 40. 3. Okay, so that's for the sa finding the term. Okay, so you can try this so that you can identify yung term given the common difference. So we can use still the formula to find kunwari meron kayong 18th term, kung alam mo yung common difference mo -5 and yung arithmetic sequence ay yung 9 arithmetic sequence ay 20. So from there, you can use this data, no? Okay, you try to answer this and take a pause, then answer this. Okay, so and for number 1, so if the ninth term of arithmetic sequence is 20, so find the common difference. So we got 18th term is equal to yung first term na given ito, which is A9, no, which is 20, plus the n minus 1, so 18 minus 1 times the common difference, which is -5. So we got A18, sorry, 18 minus 9. So kasi nagsimula tayo sa 9th term. So we got 20 plus 9 times -5. So it's -25. So the second, yung ninth term ay 20. So the 18th term yung hinanap natin. So 18 minus 9. Kasi syempre 9 na lang yun. Times -5. Sige, ano makuha yung sagot natin? So yung pang 18 is -25. Okay? So for number 2, so meron tayong 7th term na hinahanap. So A23, the 12th term, 23rd term is equal to the 7th term is -28 plus n minus 1. So n minus 7 n minus 7 times the common difference of 4. So we got 36. Okay? And so let's go with arithmetic mean. So ito, ang goal is makuha natin yung for arithmetic means between 5 and 25. So, ibig sabihin, kunin natin yung 4 dito. So, paano natin kung gagawin yun? So, walang ibang way kundi kunin pa rin yung common difference. So, 'pag nakuha mo yung common difference, kaya mo na makuha yung ibang number, right? So, 'pag nakuha natin yung common difference, okey na yun. So, dito paano natin kukunin yun? Gagamitin pa rin natin yung formula. So, ang hinahanap natin ay arithmetic means nitong problem na 'to. So, we got first and sixth. So, puwede mong ilagay diyan na yung a to the sixth will be a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, ang a of 6 natin ay 25 so, we got a to the 6 is 25. So, rearrange muna natin kung saan kunin natin yung b 'no, mamaya. So, a sub 6 minus a sub 1 over n minus 1. So, that will be your common difference. So, what's your a? 6, 25 minus a sub 1. Ang a sub 1 natin that is 5. 25 minus 5 times n minus 1. So, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So, a sub 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, kaya natin i-solve yan 'no. It will be 25 minus, a sub 1 is 5 over n minus 1. So, your n will be 6 over 5. So, the distance will be 20 minus over 5 will be 4. So, from there, puwede mo ng makuha yung mga kasunod na numbers. 5, so 4 is 9, 13, 17, and plus 4. 4, 13, 14, 21, and 25. So, these are the 4 numbers, okay? Sige, try to answer the other situation. So, kanya-kanya sagot na lang tayo dito. So, nasa Google Classroom naman 'tong mga tanong. Okay, so what's the sum of the first 10 terms in 8, 12, 16, 20, 24? So, kanina pinag-usapan na natin yung nth term, yung arithmetic mean. So, ngayon pag-usapan natin yung summation nung 10 terms. So, madali lang 'yan 'no, kapag alam mo yung common difference, makuha mo ibang term, nila-add mo lang yun, 'no, and that will be the result. How about 15 terms? So, magdadagdag yan ng konti. Pero paano kung 3,000 na? So, kailangan natin yung formula. So, our formula will be n over 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 times t. puwede natin 'tong gamitin. So, ang naiba lang dito guys 'no, n/2 tsaka yung 2a1. So, try natin. So, meron tayong first 10 term, ano yung summation ng first 10 term ng 5, 9, 13, and 17. So, we got S of n is equal to n/2. So, yung n natin will be 10. So, a1 natin is 5. So, n natin 10 a1. D natin will be 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So, summation will be equal to 10/2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1. So, 10 minus 1, 9 times 4. Okay, so we can have substitute it sa calculus. So, 5 times 2 times 5 plus 9 times 4 is 36. So, the summation is 230. Okay? Yan. So, may mga example pa dito. Try to answer this on your own. Ayan. Pero, summation ng arithmetic sequence. Sagutan to. Okay? So, yun lang guys. So, galingan nyo sa quiz. Thank you for listening.